Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.
Pag-ibig ang siyang pumukaw sa ating puso at kaluluwa, at siyang nagdulot sa ating buhay, liwanag sa dilim at pag-asa. Pag-ibig ang siyang buklod natin, di mapapawid, kailan kailan pa man sa puso't diwa tayo'y isa lamang kahit na tayo'y magkawalay. Pagkat ang Diyos natin, Diyos ng pag-ibig, magmahalan tayo't magtulungan. At kung tayo'y bigo, ay huwag limutin na may Diyos tayo't nagmamahal. Sikapin sa ating pagtungo, ipamalitan sa buong mundo pag-ibig ng Diyos na siyang sumakop sa bawat pusong uhaw sa pagsuyo. Pagkat ang Diyos natin, Diyos ng pag-ibig, magmahalan tayo't magtulungan. At kung tayo'y bigo, ay huwag limutin na may Diyos tayo't nagmamahal. Pagkat ang Diyos natin, Diyos ng pag-ibig, magmahalan tayo't magtulungan. At kung tayo'y bigo, ay huwag limutin na may Diyos tayo. Diyos ay pag-ibig. Nagmula sa lupa, magbabalik na kusa ang buhay mong sa lupa nagmula. Bago mo linisin ang dungis ng iyong kapwa, hugasan ng iyong putik sa mukha. Kung ano ang di mo gusto, huwag gawin sa iba. Kung ano ang iyong inutang, ay siya ring kabayaran. Sa mundo ang buhay ay mayroong hangganan, dahil tayo ay lupa lamang. sakali